Dear students, after the derivation of Maxwell's all four equations in differential form, we are coming to the derivation of all those Maxwell's equations in integral form. So, from the last conclusion, we have the differential forms of Maxwell's four equations. Divergence D is equal to rho, equation number 1. Divergence B is equal to 0, equation number 2. Curl E is equal to minus del V upon del T, equation number 3. And curl H is equal to J vector plus del D vector upon del T, equation number 4. Now, the derivation of Maxwell's first equation in integral form. On taking volume integral of equation number 1. So, this is equation number 1 over volume V. Closed integration over volume V, divergence D dV is equal to closed integration over volume V rho dV. Applying Gauss divergence theorem in LHS, we have closed integration over S d vector dot ds vector is equal to closed integration rho dV, and this is the integral form of first equation. Now we come to the second derivation of Maxwell's second equation in integral form. Taking volume integral of equation number 2, this is equation number 2, over volume V, closed integration over V, divergence B vector into dV is equal to closed integration 0 dV. Applying Gauss divergence theorem in LHS, closed integration B vector dot ds vector is equal to 0, and this is the integral form of second equation. Now, third derivation of Maxwell's third equation in integral form. Taking surface integral of equation number 3, this is equation number 3, surface integral, we have closed integration over S curl E dot ds is equal to minus closed integration over S del B upon del T ds, equation number 9. Applying Stokes theorem in LHS, closed integration E vector dot dl vector is equal to minus closed integration del V vector upon del T dot ds vector, equation number 10, and this is the integral form of third equation. Now come to the last that is derivation of Maxwell's fourth equation in integral form. Taking surface integral of equation number 4, we have closed integration over S curl H dot ds is equal to closed integration over surface J vector plus del D vector ds dot ds. Applying Stokes theorem in LHS, we have closed integration H vector dot dl vector is equal to closed integration over S J vector plus del D vector upon del S dot ds vector, equation number 11. This is the integral form of fourth equation. Thank you so much.